All right, y'all boys. This is gonna be a quick little recap over the two trades I took today. QQQ. I didn't trade futures today, but they have obviously identical charts. Like I can go to NQ right now, and you'll see this is exactly the same chart as QQQ. So yeah, pre-market I mentioned that we were in the middle of a range. The range was like 612.50 down to 609.50, and we were making lower highs while creating a triple bottom. We stopped at the same bottom 3 times in a row. So I said, once we break that bottom, once we get below that floor, we're gonna see significant downside. And as you see, we broke that floor and got significant downside. No, I didn't. That wasn't the trade I took, but for a longer term trade, a longer hold, that would have been a good ass trade. As you can see, we dumped from what was it, below 609. Sellers took over all the way down to 599, so down to 600. But the trade that I took was we're gonna go to the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute on the left, and the hourly's on the right. So yeah, the red line here is the previous day's low. The blue line is the previous day's close. The black line is the midnight open, and the green is the previous day's high. So if you go to the 1 minute, you'll see once we got to the midpoint of this hourly fair value gap that I mentioned, the midpoint of that was also the previous day's low. So we tapped off of that, and this is where we created the first presented fair value gap. Let me mark that out for you guys. This was the first presented fair value gap here. Make it blue how I usually make it. So yeah, that was the first presented fair value gap there. So once we inverted that, I entered kind of early. I didn't wait for the candle to, I didn't wait for the 1 minute candle to close. I entered right here, and as soon as I entered, we ripped. So I told you guys not to chase, but yeah, we were delivering off of this previous day's low, midpoint of the hourly fair value gap, and the first presented fair value gap. So yeah, once I entered right here, stop went below the previous candle's low, and my target was VWAP. VWAP was up here at the time, but previous day's close could have been a target as well. And this was another good entry right here. I took this off of BZ's entry, and yeah, once we pulled back to the previous day's close, got a bullish engulfing right there. Once that candlestick closed, I entered right there. Stop went below that candle right there, and targeted the what was this, the midnight open. So yeah, that was a quick, almost 2 to 1. This one was 1.5. Yeah, they're pretty quick, pretty simple, and yeah. Hopefully you guys understand what I'm going over. It's the same thing pretty much every time, but my pre-market analysis is really what you guys should pay attention to. And yeah, catch you guys tomorrow.